Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs, and today I'm going to be going over one of our most popular designs, the 21-inch Predator wheel. All right, we're back, and today we've got, I actually can't believe we haven't done this. This is one of our most popular, maybe our most popular design, just in terms of quantity ordered. And this was actually one of the very first designs that we ever came out with back when we started making these wheels 10 plus years ago. So like I said, I'm really surprised we haven't actually covered this one yet. Some information for you if you haven't seen any of our other videos. Everything about this wheel we make all in-house right in our shop in Hendersonville, Tennessee, just north of Nashville. It is all 100% American made. There's nothing from overseas, nowhere on this wheel. So we stand by that. We back everything that we do with a lifetime warranty. So if there's ever a problem with it, with a finish, or you get it and it's got a wobble or something stupid, we'll always take care of it, no questions asked. We want it to be right, we want you to be happy. One thing about our wheels, you're never gonna see any weights on them if they came directly from us, because we use balancing beads on all of our tires. You don't wanna pay $2,000 or whatever for a wheel and then have weights on it. That's dumb, it looks ugly. That's why we do what we do. The rotors, you will notice, we actually used to make a matching rotor for this way back when. We have transitioned from that into this polished one-piece floating rotor with this 3D machine hub that you see here. It's machined all the way through so you can see straight through to your wheel design. Again, you don't want to have a 21-inch wheel or whatever and have this big rotor taking up most of your wheel. The rotor is the ugliest part of the wheel always, so you want to be able to see your wheel and not just the rotors. TPMS sensor, a very big topic nowadays. So this valve stem is going to come in every single one of our wheels no matter what. Stock Harley wheels are going to come with a black angled valve stem that sticks out one way or another. Do not try and use that valve stem on this wheel, it will not work. It's completely different size. There's an entire video both on YouTube and on our website about how to install the TPMS sensor, but they're all, I'll explain it real quick, they're all drilled and tapped on the inside of the wheel. Take the tire off and there will be a little hole somewhere to the left or right of the valve stem. The TPMS sensor itself off of your stock wheel just bolts right in. I have a whole video explaining this in detail on YouTube and on the website. So any further questions, see those videos. I'll see if I can get them linked in the description below. As far as models that we make these for, pretty much every Harley Davidson to ever exist. All the touring models, Fat Boys, Softails, Wide Glides, Lowriders, you name it. Honda Goldwings, Kawasaki Vulcans, Indian, Chieftain, Challenger. And if we haven't made it, we can definitely do it. We'll just need your wheel to make the hubs. That's pretty much it. And that'll wrap up our 21-inch Predator wheel.